What's up, YouTube? Behind the bars, coming at ya. Behind the bars. Here we are, just on Lyons Road yet again. So we're just going to cruise through Lyons, into Kyogle, down through Dirabba, and then to home. Yeah, it's a good old New South Wales. It's in it's gotten back to its nice and green again. There's plenty of water we've had around. So all the creeks have been replenished and the grass is starting to turn green again. All the cows will be happy, the farmers. We'll go through Grady's Creek too, instead of going down the Lyons Road. There's just a nice little dirt section. A couple of little creek crossings. She was loose. You really got to be careful on these concrete causeways too, because they get nice and slimy. So you always try and stick where the cars go through. Try and stick in their wheel tracks. Seen many guys go down on those concrete causeways. Now, just for reference, if you're ever going to come down and ride Lyons Road, just be very cautious. You might see it just there. What they do is they've got a truck that comes along when there's potholes, and it's got a boom off the front of it, and it just sprays wet bitumen with gravel into the pothole, and then they drive off and they leave all the loose gravel everywhere. So it's on the corners, it's everywhere. So yeah, you just got to be super careful, because it's like little marbles. You come around a corner, it's right in your line, because that's normally where the potholes are right on the apexes and that of the corners, and that's where these dickheads go and fill this stuff up and then drive off. And I've seen a few bikes come down on this road, especially through that exact reason. So yeah, if you're ever going to come down and you plan to ride the Lyons Road, always make sure that that truck hasn't been through and put that gravel everywhere. That's that truck there, bloody thing.